Y three phase balance armature winding kept on stator. Okay, kept on stator, and DC field winding kept on rotor. In case of synchronous machine, we have discussion, our motto we have discussed on synchronous machine. Okay, one by one. DC field winding. Okay, now first question is rise in synchronous machine. Before discuss fundamental of synchronous machine, where stator armature winding put on rotor or stator, and DC field winding on put on stator or rotor. Okay, corresponding to question, when three phase balance armature winding kept on stator. Okay, YE three phase balance armature winding on stator and DC field winding on rotor. Okay, I know that I have already discussed in fundamental of machine what is the armature winding and what is the DC field winding. Clear? Now, in both cases, if both are interchanged, then what about induced EMF? Also same, I have already discussed in fundamental of machine. If armature winding on stator, three phase balance armature winding on stator and DC field winding on rotor, corresponding we got suppose that induced EMF E. If both are interchanged, means DC field winding on stator and armature winding on rotor, then already we have got induced EMF corresponding to E. I have already discussed in fundamental of machine. If you are in doubt, then watch it here. Go to watch. Okay, on fundamental of machine. Now we have here discussion corresponding to if three phase balance winding on corresponding Y three phase balance armature winding on stator and Y DC field winding on rotor. Okay, first of all, I have discussed one question. I have discussed if three phase armature winding on if three phase balance armature winding on rotor and DC field winding on also rotor, and both are compare. After that we have compare, first of discuss and after that we have compare which one is more effective. Then I got the answer. So we have discussed one by one. Clear? Now first of all, when three phase balance armature winding kept on rotor. When three phase balance armature winding kept on rotor, okay, and also DC field winding also kept on rotor. First of all, we have discussed corresponding this one. After that we have discussed if DC field winding on kept on rotor also, then both are compare. Okay, one by one. This one, that is neutral wire, A phase A, B, and this one is C corresponding to. Clear? Now three phase armature winding on rotor. Okay, means this one is a rotor armature winding on rotor. So how to give the supply on rotor? With the help of slip ring. This one is a shaft. With the help of shaft connected to the slip ring. With the help of slip ring we provide slip ring and bruces are needed. 4 slip ring and 4 bruces are required. Clear? This one is a bruces and this one is a slip ring. Now this one is a shaft, this one is a shaft, so that is shaft. Insulation corresponding to this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, that is insulation. Clear? That is insulation corresponding to this one. Okay, this one is shaft, and or you can say that this one is a shaft and this one is a insulation corresponding to this one, and slip ring like this one is a slip ring. Clear? Connected like this one. Okay, so make here this one is shaft, this one is slip ring, sorry, this one is a insulation and this one is a slip ring like this one. Clear? Represent like here. Now level of insulation decided by, okay, level of insulation of decided by voltage rating of generator. Okay, that is 11 kV, 33 kV corresponding to here, that is higher voltage. You can say that insulation of rating of the insulation rating decided by higher voltage. Okay, so you can say that written as level of insulation, first of all written as 4 slip ring and bruces are required. First of written as 4 slip ring and bruces are required. Clear? And second one, level of insulation according to higher voltage. Here higher voltage, that is kilovolt, that is difficult to provide. Okay, cost of insulation is high. Now another way, as well as generating rating in MVA. That's why, what about armature current corresponding to, this one is kilo ampere or 400 ampere or 800 ampere, like. Clear? So you can say that as well as they must be capable to handle large armature current. IA corresponding to kilo ampere or like 400, 600 ampere. Clear? etc. Now if DC field winding kept on rotor, okay, DC field winding kept on rotor. Then what is happening here? DC field winding. First of all, being DC field winding. DC field winding, like there are two outside terminal, that is F1 and that is F2, are connected to DC, like 440 volt, 240 volt or 220 volt, like this one, and that is field current. That is field current IF, and that is field flux, like this one. Field current also like 4 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, like this one. Okay. If DC field winding on rotor, then how many slip ring are required? That is 2 slip ring and 2 bruces are required. If you want to DC field winding on rotor, then this one is connected to shaft, like this one. There are 2 slip ring and 2 bruces are required only. That is plus minus DC. Okay. What about cost of insulation? As compared to this one is very low. Why? Cost of insulation decided by voltage rating. Whatever voltage rating corresponding to here, that is 240, 220 volt. That's why cost of insulation is very low. Okay. Clear? And what about field current? Also low. So put written here, when DC field winding on rotor, only first of all only 2 slip ring and bruces required to make carry low field current, that is like 5 ampere, 10 ampere. Okay. And level of insulation corresponding to low voltage, like 250 volt, 220 volt, 240 volt, whatever. Clear? First of all, make it. What about cost of insulation corresponding to this one is very low. Clear? And what about current corresponding to this one is very low. Clear? If both are provided on rotor. Now another way, what about current? This current is very large as compared to this one. It means armature current is higher. You can say that armature copper loss is higher. It means temperature rise significant in armature winding. In armature winding, temperature rise significant as compared to this one, because of this current is corresponding 4 or 10 ampere. So I square R corresponding to this one is very low. So you can say that normal cooling is not enough to provide, okay, it's not enough corresponding to this one. Normal cooling are provided here, but it is not here. Why? Because of heat generate is very high. Why heat generate is very high? Because of I square R is large. Okay, that's why we are provide hydrogen cooling. We are provide hydrogen cooling. Okay, how to provide? First of all, written as IA is large, that is kiloampere. Okay, that's why you can say that I square RA, that is armature copper loss higher. Okay, means temperature rise significant. Okay, temperature rise significant, or you can say that heat develop significant. Clear? So you can say that natural cooling is not enough. Okay, so provided forced cooling, that is hydrogen cooling. Clear? How to provide? I know that armature winding A dash, this one is A dash, B dash, like this one, C dash. Okay, armature winding corresponding to this one. Now with the help of ducts, like this one, that is ducts. Okay, with the help of ducts, hydrogen cooling are provided. Cooling passing through duct. If you want to make okay, this one is a duct, like this one. Okay, with the help of duct, that is hydrogen cooling passing through ducts, and this one corresponding to this one. Okay, that is hydrogen cylinder. You know that hydrogen gas passing through this duct. Okay, rotor is also rotating, corresponding to with speed ns, it's very high. So you can say that hydrogen cylinder also rotating. If you want to provide hydrogen cooling with the help of ducts, okay, then hydrogen cylinder also rotate corresponding to rotor. It's very difficult, practically it is very difficult to provide on rotor. Okay, if armature winding on stator, then hydrogen cooling provide very easily. Because of hydrogen cooling, hydrogen cylinder is not rotating, because of armature winding is not rotating, that's why. But in case of rotor, if you armature winding on rotor, then hydrogen cylinder also rotating corresponding to which speed? Rotor speed. Practically it is very difficult. So you can say that another reason. Now right now cooling that is needed, which can easily provided if armature winding kept on stator. Clear? Now another way, this current is large, okay, this current is large, it means thickness of the wire is large, okay, thickness of the wire is large, so volume of the wire is high. So because of number of turns is higher, so you can say that volume of the armature winding is higher. Clear? So you can say that is heavy. If this one is a heavy, means now this one, that is armature winding, put on rotor like this one. Armature winding mass is higher. Why? Because of thickness of the wire is large. Thickness of the wire is large, so volume is large, and this one also rotate corresponding to omega, and this one mass. So centripetal force mr into omega square. This one is high, and if mass is high, then centripetal force is large. Then damage. Then you can say that. What about armature winding? Armature winding are damaged. Okay, clear? So first of all, complete this statement. After that, we have discussed. Written as, it is difficult to provide cooling if armature winding kept on rotor. Clear? Kept on rotor. Now another way corresponding to this reason, you can say that armature winding is heavier. Why heavier? Why? Because of large number of turn. Large that is large number of turns, so you can say that volume is higher. So think where IA is higher. Clear? First of all, make it. So you can say that if armature winding kept on rotor, it may be damaged due to higher centrifugal force. Higher Clear? Due to higher centrifugal force. That's why you can say that armature winding put on stator and DC field winding on rotor. Clear? One by one. First reason, 4 slip ring are required if armature winding, I have discussed. If both are put on rotor, this one is also and this one is also. This one is DC field winding and this one is 3-phase armature winding, 3-phase balance armature winding on rotor. If 3-phase balance armature winding on rotor, there are 4 slip ring and 4 brushes are required. Here 2 brushes and 2 slip ring are required. Now level of insulation in this region is high, okay, because of level of insulation, or you can say the cost of insulation is large as compared to this one. Why? Because of corresponding to this one is decided by this voltage 11 or 33 kV, so cost of insulation is large as compared to this one, corresponding to this one, that is 240 though. So you can say that cost of insulation is very low as compared to this one. Clear? Now another reason, what about current, armature current, that is large. Why? Because of generator rating is MVA, means this current, if you make corresponding to this one, then this current corresponding to kiloampere, because of this one rating is MVA. So what about armature current? Kiloampere or 400 or 600, it means armature current is large. And now here that is 4 ampere or 10 ampere, like 2 ampere, 3 ampere, like this one, or 20 ampere. But here large current means I square R is large. Okay, if I square R is large means armature copper loss is high. Armature copper loss is high means you can say the temperature is rise significant, so you can say the heat develop also significant as compared to this one. So normal cooling, here normal cooling are sufficient, but here normal cooling is not sufficient. Okay, that's why we provide force cooling. Force cooling means hydrogen cooling, that is hydrogen cooling. Hydrogen cooling provided with the help of ducts, hydrogen cooling passing through these ducts, okay, with the help of hydrogen cylinder. Another way, in this case, if 3-phase armature winding on rotor, both are rotating in same speed, if you want to provide hydrogen cooling in this duct, or you can say that in this rotor, then hydrogen cylinder also rotating with the same speed corresponding to rotor. Okay, so it is very difficult to provide on rotor. If this one put on stator, then it is very easier provide cooling. Why? Because of armature winding is not rotating, then you can say that corresponding to hydrogen cylinder is not rotating, so provide very easily. Clear? But here this type of cooling is not provided here, so cost of corresponding to this one as compared to this one very low. Clear? Now next one, here armature current is high, it means thickness of the wire is large as compared to this one. If thickness of the wire is large means, what about mass of the armature winding is high. Why? Because of number of turns is large, so you can say that mass is also large. Why? Because of that is higher, thickness is higher, that's why you can say that volume is higher, so you can say that mass is also higher. Now if mass is higher, then what about centrifugal force? That is decided by mr into omega square. Rotor rotating with the speed omega is also large, corresponding synchronous speed. mass is higher, then centrifugal force is also high. You can say that this winding are damaged, maybe damaged. Clear? So armature winding always provide on stator, and if you provide DC field winding on rotor corresponding to this wire, that is 4 ampere current, that is 4 ampere. What about thickness of the wire as compared to this one? This current or you can say this wire compared to this wire, if you compare these two wire, this radius as compared to this one is very low. So mass of the field winding is very low. So force as compared to this one on winding, armature winding corresponding to DC field winding is low. That's why this winding is not damaged if DC field winding on rotor. Clear? It means you can say that there are 4 to 5 reasons are we have calculated here. In all region, armature winding is not, you can say that armature winding is not good for rotor. Clear? If you provide armature winding on rotor, that is not good. Why? Lot of reason we have discussed here. Now, so armature winding always provide on stator in synchronous machine and DC field winding on rotor. Clear? So make it. After that, this phenomena I have start fundamental of synchronous machine. Okay, make it.